Hello everyone, we are solving problem number 78, subsets. So this is a very important problem if you are starting recursion or backtracking concepts. So with this video we need to return all the subsets possible of an given array. So I will just give an example. See here we have given 1 2 3, so we need to make all the subsets like empty, only 1 2 1 2 3 1 3 2 3 and 1 2 3. So we will approach this question using recursive, or rather I will say backtracking approach. I will just explain how we are going to solve this. So here you can see each element has choice that should it be included or not. So in first case, if we are talking about A, so our subset till this iteration will be an own subset with A and other one is empty. So in the next iteration we are solving for B, so B will have two choices, either that should it be included in subset or not. So if we add B, then our subset will be AB, and if we choose not to add B, then it will be only A. Similarly here we have empty subset, so if we add B it will be only B, and if we don't add B it will remain empty. So similarly it will happen for C. So in every problem, in every test case we are going to generate 2 raised to n, that means size of an array, number of subsets for each array. So we will just start solving this question. For this I will just make one variable which is going to be common for each function in our question. So let's make name as result. Okay, array list. I am declaring it here because I want to use it in multiple functions, so that I don't need to pass it every time. And I will just make one recursive function. Wait, void subset maker, and arguments are going to be the original nums array, then one integer which is then going to be an iterator, and array list. Okay, so we will make two calls. First one is directly going to be subset maker. I will just make one comment here for understanding. When we are not including that element. Okay, so in this case it's going to be nums. Iterator is always going to be incremented by 1 in each step, and list is going to be as it is, as we are not adding anything. Now when we are adding, okay, so in this case we need to add that element to our this list. It's going to be nums of iterator, and then we need to make a recursive call. Okay, nums iterator plus 1 and list, and we need to backtrack also. We need to remove last element. Okay, so list dot size, sorry, -1. Okay, so now only thing is remain to add a base case. Okay, so if iterator is equal to nums dot length, we are going to return, but before that we need to make sure that we are adding this list to our result array list. Okay, so we will add result dot add new array list and list. Okay, so we will call this function in our main function, that is in subsets. We will just make subset maker nums iterator is going to start from 0, and here we can say new array list. Okay, we will just return result. Let's try to run this code. Okay, it's running. Let's try to submit it. Okay, thank you.